Side hustling was a big part of my journey too. My main job wasn't enough to save fast, so I looked for ways to make extra money. I started doing freelance writing on sites like Fiverr and Upwork. The pay was trash at first, like $10 for 500 words, but it added up. I also did UberEats on weekends. It wasn't glamorous, but I made an extra $100 to $150 a week consistently. That's $400 to $600 a month. Half of that went straight into savings. It wasn't fun giving up my weekends, but I reminded myself it was temporary. I wasn't working for money. I was buying my freedom back in the future. Another thing that helped? Learning to say no. No to expensive nights out, no to shopping just because there was a sale, no to subscriptions I barely used. I went through my bank statements and canceled everything I wasn't using at least twice a month. That included a gym membership I hadn't touched in 3 months, a random Amazon channel subscription, and even a premium Spotify account. All of it was costing me money without adding real value to my life. And honestly, it didn't feel like sacrifice. It felt like taking control. One of the biggest mindset shifts I had was redefining what being rich meant to me. It wasn't about designer clothes or the latest iPhone, it was about having options. The option to move out when I was ready. The option to take a trip without going into debt. The option to breathe when an emergency popped up. Saving $10,000 wasn't just a number, it was a safety net, a launch pad, a quiet confidence that said, "You're going to be okay."